So Chris, you've known for getting big school bullying cases, sex abuse cases. So it kind of walk us through where your passion is now and the kind of cases that you're litigating and trying.
Yeah, I think that we've all known like people that have been hurt or who have suffered at the hands of another, whether it's a fight or a bully or abused, whether it's physically or sexually. And there's some things that have happened in my past and into people that I love, and then just experiences with my own children and what they endured, and not even to the extent of anything like the clients that I represent. But I remember back in like 2013, some laws were changing that Governor Brown signed into law to amend the education code to add cyberbullying to.
Wow, this was 2013?
Not till 2013, cyberbullying was added as something that schools had to look out for, realizing that plays a role in how kids enjoy their right to get an education and to enjoy their school campuses.
But it sounds so strange that 2013, it sounds like it wasn't too long ago, though it was in the world of technology.
Yeah.
But California seems to be at the forefront of developing and having, because a lot of states still don't have these laws for cyberbullying.
No, and a lot of them are tricky. There's laws that protect media companies. Everyone hears about Section 230.
So tell us Section 230. That's the tech bro.
Yeah. Well, if anyone that listens to President Trump talk.
Yeah, right-wing media knows what that is. Yeah.
Because there's immunities that are given to Facebook and Instagram, and there's been carve-outs recently for specific types of cases where you can go after. Human sex trafficking is one of those areas where there's been a carve-out. And particularly for childhood, sex abuse and whatnot. But there's other areas that's not. And the bullying online can be so prolific. It can cause such lasting damage on a child. You look at suicide rates and how they jumped after, in the late, 2000s and into the teens. I mean, suicide rates with teens and teens cutting themselves and doing, feeling just ashamed about who they are and their bodies and their images. And, there's a lot more work that needs to be done. I like that we're doing these carve-outs to get out of the immunity area. I don't think that no one should ever get immunity. You do something wrong, you should be held accountable.
And that's where, and Christy, you do a lot of work to actually lobby and create new law for victims, survivors. And, it just shows the dedication for how, we have a very strong presence in California to dictate these things. Other states don't really have those things.
Yeah.